Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a 3D logo effect on a PNG using a format or a program that I developed called Design Frame, in which if you are interested on buying a one-time payment or membership at a cheaper price, if you want to try it out with a membership, I will have that option too on the description. Let me know if you want to do the membership. Let's begin. First, we're gonna upload a image that I have here of a Aztec calendar shape, and it's a PNG with no background, and I have it here somewhere. Now, here it is. I'm gonna double click, and then I'm gonna press shift on my keyboard and pull the knot so that way the shape increase evenly without stretching to the sides. And now we have the calendar here. Now I'm gonna type in the word Aztec on top, but in a curved um, type. So I'm gonna add Aztec, and then I'm going to add the text, and then I'm gonna find a proper text or font type, and I'm gonna choose this one. And before I curve this text, you need to know that you need to add spaces. If it's only one phrase, a short phrase, you can add as much as 3 or 4 spaces. So that way when you curve up like now, the phrase is not it's not 180 degrees curve, if you know what I mean. So that way it's not super curved. But this is perfect, and I'm gonna try to find the best spot for this text, and then I'm gonna leave it like that. So now I'm gonna download this image, and it's gonna turn into a PNG. Now we're gonna refresh, and we're gonna upload the very same image. It'll be under Design Frame, and we're gonna double click and shift and make this big evenly, make it bigger a little bit more. All right, so now what we're gonna do is change this the color. We're gonna turn this like a gray color of the stone, maybe a little bit yeah, I think that's good. We're gonna turn on the black frame so that way we get an idea of what we got, and I think that's a perfect color. Now down here on the PNG editor, there's 2 buttons. There's one for adding distress and the other one for add cracking effect. So we're gonna add distress first, and then you can see all the distress inside. We can add more, but I think that's good. Now we can add some cracking effect to make it look like a really old stone, and it'll be on the letters too. So if you want to make this for a project, or if you want to do this for a t-shirt design, you can do that too. I mean, I'm gonna make this small now, and I'm gonna upload a t-shirt. I mean, I want to see it on a shirt. Now we're gonna turn this white, and I'm gonna upload a t-shirt that I have here, a black one, and I'm gonna double click and shift and make this big. Gonna make it as big as the frame, and then we're gonna adjust it with the scroller and send the PNG to the back so that way the design comes to the front, and there it is. Now we're gonna move this here, and I think I like that. I don't know, what do you guys think? This will be a really cool design for screen printing or even DTF, but DTF, it's a little bit more expensive. The transfers for like just to do one color. I think screen printing will be much better and cheaper. But yeah, this is how simple you can do designs on Design Frame, which is a program for people that want to do like graphic design projects, people that are into the t-shirt business, don't want to spend crazy money on softwares. They just want to outsource heat transfers like DTF transfers, screen printing transfers, and start a t-shirt business from home, or even Christian designs, all kinds of designs. Watch all my videos on YouTube, subscribe so that way you get an idea what I mean. You can watch other tutorials and cool stuff that I have done with design frame, even menus for restaurants. So yeah, this is it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I will see you guys on the next tutorial. Thank you.